Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَلَا تُسْرِفُوا إِنَّهُ لَا يُحِبُّ الْمُسْرِفِينَ. And be not excessive, for indeed He likes not those who commit excess. From the most precious of such resources and blessings on earth is the blessing of water. This is something we should preserve because of its very nature of being essential to life itself. And hence you find the Prophet ﷺ prohibiting wastage of water, even in the act of wudu. For he mentioned that even if wudu was to be done in a flowing river, we should be conscious of its usage. And the Prophet ﷺ demonstrated how to do wudu. And one instance he demonstrated wudu, having performed its acts 3 times, and then he said, هَكَذَا wudu. فَمَنْ زَادَ عَلَى هَذَا فَقَدْ أَسَاءَ وَتَعَدَّى وَظَلَمَ. He said, this is wudu. Whoever does more than that has committed wrong, has gone to extremes, and has been unjust. In this demonstration and succinct words of the Prophet ﷺ, we see highlighted the fundamental importance of not wasting water and the need for considering future generations when it comes to the use of resources. And hence Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala informs us by saying, وَلَا تُفْسِدُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ بَعْدَ إِصْلَاحِهَا. And cause not corruption upon the earth after its reformation. This entails, brothers and sisters, that we aware of this immense trust and that we enable the continuation of the resources of the earth through the sustainable use of them. This means that we should avoid wastage and extravagance with regards to the use of such resources. So we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He give us the ability to take on this trust and to fulfill it in the best of ways. O Allah, we ask that You bless us with devotion to You and that You accept of us all Your devotion and bless us with this devotion, Ya Rabbil Alameen.